They call me Thomas that.
Hey berries, it's Sherry the Berry here, and as you can see, I will be doing a review on Butterskin Skincare. It is a black-owned skincare line. This is the perfect time to support black businesses. As you guys know, there's so much going on in this world, and we have to support each other because we have great stuff out there. If you did like protest, sign a petition, or just made awareness to someone or to yourself, thank you guys so much for making a difference in yourself, so we can make a difference for this world. But continuing this video, I saw this skincare on social media. I think it was like Instagram. I'm sure it was Instagram, and it was like for melanated skins, and I saw the advertisement with like heavily rich melanin skin. I was like, oh, I would love to try that. Like, who doesn't want a black owned business and then be like dedicated to your own skin tone? So I was like, oh, I can buy that. So I got it in the mail. It looks like this. Well, so I got the Butter Complete Skin Kit. I wanted everything. Give me everything. I want to try everything. Let's do it. So it comes in this box here. Hopefully this will work well with my skin, but this is how it looks just in the box. And now it's saying to open it. Let's see what it's gonna give us. It's smaller than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a bit bigger. Ooh, I'm always struggling. Ooh, oh, this is cute. Oh, so, oh, look at the melanated people. Oh, beautiful. And to give you a how to use, a lot of places does not. Let me get to this when we start using the products. And I have a note. It says, hi butter lovers, hope you're being safe during this time. Beautiful, thank you for addressing what's going on. We're elevating the brand, packaging, and new products coming soon for you. Excuse our temporary packaging while we restock and update. Okay, so this is the temporary one. I was like, I thought it was bigger, but okay, great. To show appreciation, take 30% off your next order. Oh, so cute. So we have little decorations. I'm gonna just put that over here. And this is my product. So we starting off with the cleanser. So right now I'm on my computer and I'm looking for the benefits. So for this, it says all about maintaining natural pH, oils and moisturized balance in your melanin rich skin. This gently wipes away dirt and oil and debris, and it wipes off dead surface cells that causes dullness. This has soothing coconut, palm oils, lavender flower extract conditioner. This will leave our complexion nice and calm. It will make it smooth, hydrated, and healthy. Nice, I'm liking that, okay. I like how this is a gentle exfoliator because I do love a nice little scrubby scrub. But this is the cleaner. I'm going to go to the vitamin C oil. Vitamin C is great, I love vitamin C. When I see vitamin C, I'll be like, oh, brightener. This is a brightener. My face will be bright and beautiful for the skin. So this is the vitamin C serum. It has antioxidants and a vitamin-rich grapeseed oil, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it's collagen boosting and vitamin A, which is amazing. Okay, and it's an oil balancing, and it targets dark spots. You're probably looking like your skin is all right. Like, what are you talking about? But my skin can look dull at times. I'm having a decent skin day today. If you think that my skin always look good, thank you so much. Thank you, camera, for capturing some good skin. But I do have dark spots here that this have not went away in a long time. And I do have a few dark spots on this side as well. I have a few discolorations. I'm looking in the mirror right now. I have a few discolorations also under my eyes. I want to see if it can even my skin tone and take away these dark spots, or at least lighten them up, not just taking them away, because this is not magic. I've been putting everything on this, okay? Tea tree oil, lotion, serum. That's it. But okay, now we have the facial shea butter. So this synthesis was made with 100% pure organic virgin shea butter imported from Africa and perfected using our whipping technique. Okay, already import from Africa. Thank you. So it just says that this butter skin body butter is rich with vitamin A, B, and E, as well as some other acids that they do name. The acids that they do name, it will instantly melt in the warmth of your skin, and it will penetrate and deliver essential nutrition to your face, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. 3 items here that I'm gonna be trying for 10 days. If you guys are new to my channel, when I do reviews, I try up a product for 10 days. I think that's a good time, like a good trial period to see if I'm gonna continue to use it or discontinue the products. So I know this is my skincare robe, like this is my skincare review robe, but I will be taking it off. I do want to see how it feels on my skin. I would love to use this butter on my shoulders and my neck and things like that. I don't look naked. Do y'all see my shirt? Y'all see my shirt, right? I'm not naked, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just wash my face with my cleanser, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see how it smells, how it feels. So hold on, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, so my face is nice and wet. Let's try this. Oh, it's more liquid than I thought. I guess I imagined something else. But it's very liquidy. You see how that's running down my hand? It's getting white. It smells like absolutely nothing, which I can enjoy, because I can tell there's no like fragrance added, just so it can be like this great smelling, you know, product. Great smelling products are not always great, especially for your skin. You want the smell to be as natural as possible. But I'm liking how it glides on my face. I don't feel any exfoliation. When I think of exfoliate, I think about little beads or something like that, where I can feel like it's a little roughness, you know, on my skin. I love a nice lathering cleanser. I can see it. And this is how it's looking on my skin. So for this one, it says to squeeze a penny size. I squeezed at least 2/4 out. It says rinse thoroughly with cool water. Excellent for daily use on all skin types. Okay, so I am going to rinse this off with cool water and not be back to use my serum. So let me rinse this off. All right, so I just rinsed it off with some cool water. So that's all dry. And now I'm gonna be using my vitamin C serum. It says apply 4 to 5 drops to freshly clean and dry skin. Massage in a circular motion over face, neck, and chest, and the problematic areas. Is it like 4 to 5 drops in total? I think I might do more because I'm over excessive. 2, 3, 4, 5. This smells like oranges. It's absorbing more than I thought it will. Oh, no, it's not. Because I'm thinking this is a oil, and this is not an oil, this is a serum. And it feels like a serum, so let me calm down. I'm gonna use a little more. I know I need to pay attention to the instructions, but if I feel like it's not in my skin well enough, I'm gonna add more. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I love this. It does not feel heavy on my skin, but I can see the moisture. Because sometimes when serums dry, they get sticky and it has a white cast on it and it just look ugly and I don't like it. But this serum, I don't feel like it's gonna give me a white cast or it's gonna look like I just put on a serum, because sometimes they be cracking and it just dries so ugly. But the way that this is filled on my skin, I know it's about to dry ugly. Let me not speak too soon, but I know it's like dry ugly. I'm gonna put a little more just on my problem areas. How many drops is that? Like 25? I like the way this making my skin look, baby. Yes, honey. Yes, give me life. Now it's time for my natural oil organic butter from Africa. This is organic. My sister gets organic shea butter from Africa and it smells exactly the same. So I can tell that it is truth there. This is how it looks here. Oh yeah, it's nice and thick. See, I didn't push my finger in and it's not even going nowhere barely. This is real shea moisture. That's how much I have right now. And I'm gonna kind of warm it up and be rough and soften it in your hands and then apply it to your face. The smell is amazing. Doesn't feel heavy because it's the summer. Well, it's gonna be the summer, and no one's trying to feel greasy, but we all want that nice glow, you know? I feel like a goddess. Am I over exaggerating? Grease doesn't do this, but it's giving me life. Oh, I feel amazing. So this is the first use of using Butter Skincare. Every time I do a review, whatever they say that they can do for my skin, that's what I'm gonna be looking for after these 10 days are done. So I'm just looking for hydrated skin, radiant skin, and for it to lighten my dark spots. So those are the 3 things I'm gonna be looking for. So this is day 1. If you wanna see me continue to use these products, make sure you stay tuned. Berries. Well, as you saw the hype in my first initial try, like I love Butter Skincare. Okay, I'm gonna go from like one by one. Okay, so for this cleanser, it's a really gentle wash, which I really love. It reminds me of the Cetaphil wash. Like, you know, you can use that every single day and it's no like beads or anything in there. It's a very soft daily wash, and that's how I feel with this. I did not develop any bumps, any rashes, any dryness with this. This really cleaned my face. Even though it is a gentle wash, I did feel like it was clean. You really see that your skin is clean when you wash your face and then you dry it, and just looking like super dry because it has washed all that dirt and oil out your face. And that's what this did for me. My face felt really clean with this. I usually rate all my products when I do my review, so I am going to rate this a 9. This is a 9 out of 10. Next would be the serum. I personally love the serum. This is the best serum I have used. It was a thin serum, but it was very beneficial and efficient. It was non-sticky, and y'all, it melts into your skin. Like, it literally melts. That's why I was putting so many drops on that first time, because I'm like, this gotta get into my skin, but it melts in my skin. It's like it don't dry in my skin. It just dissolves in my skin, and I love it, love it, love it. This is just a great serum. It doesn't leave any residue or build up. This is a great thin, efficient serum. I give this serum a 9.5 out of 10. Now for my shea butter that I really love. This organic shea butter. It's very thick but gentle. It's also non-sticky. Like I was telling y'all before, we want to be hydrated when it's warm, but we don't want sticky, you know, feeling fingers or hands or necks or, you know, whatever. It's moisturizing and it's hydrated, and to top it all, it gives you a great glow. I just used these 3 items before I filmed this video because this is day 10 and I love it. Like, look at the glow it gives me, and it's not sticky at all. Like, it looks like, and it feels like my skin. Like, I look in the mirror, I'm like, oh yeah, I did put that shea moisture on. Like, I have to see it to realize that I do have this on. I don't feel it and be like, yeah, I got this moisture on. I feel sticky. Thank you so much, Dorian, for making this great skincare line. It is amazing. I love it. I would recommend you get it. Like I said before, please support Black-owned businesses because we rock. Like, we are great. Like, we be doing our thing. And I'm so happy that I'm able to share this great line with you all. If you guys didn't know about it, go check their website out and their Instagram. But that is the end, I would rate this entire 3 product line a 9.8 out of 10. That is the highest I have rated any products that I have reviewed thus far. And that's an A+. You got valedictorian. You have a 4.0 GP. What am I talking about? Anyway, thank you berries for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video.